Hey everyone, Nitesh this side. Hope you're doing good. So let's start with the question. So the question is spiral matrix 2. Okay, so this question is similar to the spiral matrix. So you have given a positive integer n. What you have to do, you have to generate a n cross n matrix. Fill with the element from 1 to n square in spiral order. Okay, spiral order is basically, you can say, it's some sort of a, like, you go from left to right, then you go from top to bottom, then again right to left, and bottom to top. Okay, in this circular manner, you have to fill all the element. Okay, so for this case, if you can see the example, n equal to 3. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to fill the element from 1 to n square. So 1 to basically 3 square, which is 9. Okay, so we will start filling from here. So what we will do, we will fill 1 here, then similarly for 2, 3, 4. After this 3, we go in bottom direction, we fill 4, 5. After this, we'll go in this direction, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so in this way, we will fill the, we will create a new matrix. So it's, you can say it's a implementation question. So we just need, basically, you can say 4 pointers. So what we will do, we will take basically left pointer and a right pointer at the end of the column. Similarly, we will take a top pointer at the top of the row and a bottom pointer at the, you can say, at the bottom of the row. So what we will do, let's write it also side by side. So first step is to create an array. New int will create an array of n cross n size. After this, what we will do, we will take 4 pointers. So this is L equal to 0. So let me just write it like this. So this is for pointer for basically start column. Okay. Similarly, we need for end column, and we need 2 pointer also. So this is for start row, and basically this is for end row. Okay, so we'll take left, we'll take right. Okay, similarly we'll take top pointer for row and bottom pointer for r. Okay, basically it's for row. This will not be 0, like this will point to the n minus 1, basically at the end of the column. Similarly, the bottom will also point at the end of the row, n minus 1. Okay, we will take one more variable, which is c equal to 1. You can declare all this variable into a 1. I just write because for explanation. So we'll take a counter variable from 1, and we will fill every element from that position. So what we will do, we'll loop over this, and top less than equal to bottom. So while our basically left pointer is less than equal to right pointer, similarly our top pointer is less than equal to bottom pointer, we'll fill the elements. So first, what we will fill this top top row. Okay, so as you can see, like left is pointing at here and right is pointing at here. Okay, now what is the fixed thing at this? Like we will move left, then we come at here. So as you can see, our top pointer remain fixed at this position. Okay, so what we will do, we will basically for int I equal to L, I less than equal to R, I plus plus, and we know our top pointer is fixed at this position, at this column. So what we will do, we will fix our column by fix our row by top, and we'll only change our column, and we give the current element. Okay, every time after this we will increment it. Okay, now you have filled for this. After this you have to fill in this direction. Okay, so you have filled 1, 2, 3. Now you have to fill this 4, and you have to go in this index. Okay, so it's basically from top to bottom you have to fill. Okay, now your top is pointing at 0th index. So what we will do, before going for the loop, we have to increase our top pointer. So top will start from this position, basically from here. Okay, so what we will do, we will increase our top pointer, and now we'll loop over our top to bottom, I plus plus. Okay, and what will be the fix, like top to bottom we know. Okay, so array, we will change our row every time, so I, but we need a fixed column because column is fixed here. So as you can, what will be the fixed value at this point? You can see your right pointer is at the end of the column, so we'll take our right pointer and we'll fill the C. Okay, and we'll increment our C. Now, after this, you fill this 3, 4, 5. Now you have to fill this 6 to 7. Okay. What you have to do, you have to fill from right to left. But this 5 is already filled, so we are filling from this position. So for filling from this position, what we need to do, we need to decrement our R. Okay. After this, we just do for int I equal to R, I greater equal to L, and it will be I minus minus because we are going in the opposite direction. I minus minus. So what will be the fixed thing, like variable is, you can see your column will be changing every time. So you can this column and you will fill this C. Okay. Now what will be the fixed thing at this position? So this is the, you can say a bottom pointer. Okay, because top is at this position, bottom is at the end, so your row will be fixed at the end. Okay, so we will take the bottom, and as you can see we fill 6 and 7. After this, what we have to fill, we have to fill this basically 8. 1 we already fill. Okay, and our top is, we have incremented our top, so top is at this position. Okay, so now we have to fill from bottom to top. Okay, so 7 is already filled, but bottom is at this position, so we will decrement our bottom and we will fill from bottom to basically top, and we'll do I minus minus. And what we will do, we will fill array, like what will be the fixed thing at this position. So your column will be fixed. Okay, and your row will be variable. So row is I and column will be fixed. So what will be the column you will take? So for this position, your L will be the left pointer, which will say like you have to fill this column. Like if your L is at this position, so you have to fill this value. Okay, so our L is fixed and we fill the value and we increment C++. Okay, and after this, we just increment our L++. Okay, so finally we just return the array. Okay, there is one condition which we need to add. Like there might be a situation like you already fill this only in case of, you can say, odd values, because in even value this will work perfectly because you increase at once and you also decrement at once, but at the odd indexes you come twice at the same value. So what we have to handle a one more condition, because if top is less than equal to bottom, then run this condition. Okay, similarly if your left is less than equal to R, you have to fill this one. Like in filling value it will not be a issue in this question, but when you, there is a question for spiral matrix for 1, in that you have to print the value, so at that time it caused that issue. So that's why we will take this. I think it's not required in this question, because that is because when your column length and row length are not same, because in this question your rows are also same. So let's just roll back, we don't need this. Okay, so let's run it. Let's keep it simple only. Yeah, this is accepted. Let's submit it. So our code is submitted. The time complexity is we are doing filling for every element. So you can say there are n cross n elements. So the time complexity you have to go for each element. So it's a n square, and space you can say it's a constant because we have to return the 2D array. So that is only the quotient space. So it's a constant space. for the space complexity. Yeah, hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video, and do join the Telegram group if you have any doubt and any concern. Thank you.